If ever you should go by chance to jungles in the east. Ah, this is How to Tell Wild Animals by Carolyn Wells. Such a clever and fun poem.
Fun? It's about wild animals, isn't it? That doesn't sound fun. It sounds terrifying.
Exactly. The poet uses humor and irony to describe how you might identify animals in the jungle. Like, if a lion roars at you loudly, it's probably a lion.
That's obvious. But wait, doesn't that mean you'd already be in danger by the time you recognize it?
That's the whole point. Carolyn Wells mixes humor with fear to make the poem lighthearted. Let's look at the Bengal tiger next.
What does she say about it?
She says if a black-striped animal leaps at you and eats you, congratulations! You've just met a Bengal tiger.
So the tiger introduces itself by eating you? That's such dark humor.
Exactly. The humor lies in how casually the poet describes these dangerous encounters. Then there's the leopard.
What about the leopard?
The poet describes its spots and says if it keeps jumping at you repeatedly, it's a leopard.
So by the time you identify the leopard, you'd already be in trouble.
True. Then there's the bear. She warns that if it hugs you tightly, don't mistake it for affection, it's a deadly bear hug.
Bear hugs just got scary.
Then come the crocodile and the hyena. The crocodile is identified by its fake tears, it weeps to lure prey. And the hyena is known for its eerie laugh.
So one tricks you by crying, and the other mocks you by laughing. How cunning!
Yeah. And finally, there's the chameleon. The poet says you might not even notice it because it blends so well with its surroundings.
That's fascinating. The chameleon could be right in front of you, and you'd never know.
Now let's talk about the message and theme.
What's the message?
The poem subtly reminds us of the quirks and dangers of wild animals. It's a light-hearted take, but it also highlights the need to respect nature and its creatures.
That's true. It's like saying we should appreciate their beauty but also be cautious.
Exactly.
And the theme?
It's all about nature's diversity, its dangers, and how humor can be used to simplify serious topics.
What about poetic devices?
Good question. The poem uses alliteration, like leopard will leap. There's humor and irony in how deadly encounters are described in a casual tone. The rhyme scheme is regular, creating a musical quality.
And the imagery? I could picture the animals, the roaring lion, the leaping tiger, the laughing hyena.
Absolutely. Carolyn Wells uses vivid imagery to make the poem engaging and easy to visualize.
This is such a fun way to learn about animals and poetry.
Let's quiz our friends tomorrow on poetic devices using this poem.
It'll be fun.
So, that's all about How to Tell Wild Animals by Carolyn Wells, a poem full of wit, humor, and a unique perspective on nature.
It's amazing how the poet mixes danger with humor to teach us about these wild creatures, while also reminding us to respect them.
We hope you enjoyed our fun discussion and learned something new today.
If you did, don't forget to show your support.
Hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the Eloquent Explorers for more exciting and easy-to-understand takes on your favorite English chapters and poems.
And don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update.
Let's keep exploring literature together. See you in the next video.
Bye.
And happy learning!